The hell is going on today, chat? Listen to this voice. Oh, that would give you a little bit of room.
So, like, I'll be honest. Like, so I went to stream with Asmongold, and they told me that I couldn't be on camera with him. And like, as soon as I walked up there, they were like, there was like 3 fucking dudes, or there was one guy that was like really mad, and he was like this. I couldn't hear what he was saying, right? But he wasn't fucking happy about it. And they came up there and they told me I had to leave. So I don't know. I didn't like that at all. Honestly, it kind of bothered me, to be honest. But I thought about just like not talking about it. And I don't want to go into like a whole lot of details or anything like that. But it was just like kind of shitty that happened. Yeah, they hate you. Yeah, they do hate you.
You know what that means.
Dude, my name is not PVC, man. What's wrong? That's the fucking material for wood.
Don't
let me go first.
Actually, a bitch. It's toxic. You get banned on FPL for this.
Yeah, Sam. Do you think I really play Face It? Like, did you watch your pugs or anything? Like, that's why I don't play Face It.
Oh, you dumb shit. Ricky!
One alt.
Come on, Ricky. Come on, Ricky.
By door. He just closed door.
Get him, Ricky.
He's there. By door.
Ricky, get him! Oh.
Fuck!
What? Two down.
Anybody else want to help?
Yeah, I'm gonna die. What's this? I'm gonna give him 1v5.
I got it! Where is he?
Consoles are for casuals, noob. So how many tournaments have you entered there, champ? On your PC? You must be a pro. I got news for you. PC's for fucking casuals too. Alright? You don't know shit. I got lots more news for you, but I don't know if you can handle it. You're a bitch. And I'm not the only one who thinks so. Now you're gonna have to find out who agrees with me. Let me give you a hint. Your folks, for one. Teachers, you better believe it. Let's not get started on the principal. He's not impressed. Anyway, console's the best. Eat a dick.
The dream. The noodle dancer supreme here in Heidi Lao. Oh, no one even caring. No one even flinching. Look at that little wave. The over the shoulders, the through the loop, the whippy whoopies. Oh, whoa, the lasso. This guy is a hula hooping with this shit. What the hell is going on? Noodle level, China. Sugoi.
Felix, are you getting fucked too or no?
No, I just finished. So you're unblocked right now. So basically, since I was the only one downloading it, right? Because you guys had it, I was going fast, and then you guys started downloading it, and then it was slower and slower.
Holy fuck! What the hell is that?
What's up? The mic thing. My bad. I'm sorry. I'll go fix it.
Just turn it down. Wait.
I got it.